If you're a real estate video editor, you definitely need to know how to do this glowing house outlines animation in the After Effects because it makes the home pop on the screen. It's real easy to do and it makes your videos look high-end. Let's get right into it. How's it going on, guys? So here in the After Effects, drag and drop the house footage you want to use. Right-click on it and create a new composition. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for 3D Camera Tracker. Drag and drop it onto your footage and wait for it to analyze your video. It might take a while. Once the analyzation is done, you'll see these small track points on your video. And now you gotta right-click on one of them, select Create Solid in Camera, and you'll have a shape like this on your video. Now, you want to scale this shape to the point that it covers the whole house for us. So on your track solid layer, press S to adjust the scale and scale it up so it covers the whole house. Again, on your track solid layer, press T to adjust the opacity of the shape and decrease it to the point that it's barely visible. Now select the pen tool from the upper menu and start drawing it all around the house. Once you're done, your shape will look like this, and now you can increase the opacity again. Go to the Effects and Presets, search for Stroke. Drag it onto your footage and in the Effect Control panel, change the paint style to transparent. And now you can set its color to whatever color you like. And here you can also change the thickness of the outlines or change its hardness. Now what we're gonna do is animate these outlines, so as you are on the stroke effect, go a few frames forward and set a keyframe for end. Move back to the beginning of the video and set the keyframe value to 0. In the timeline, go to Effects, Stroke, and select the keyframes you've made. You can now either press F9 on your keyboard or right-click on them, go to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease. Click on this graph icon on the top of the timeline. In the speed graph, adjust this graph until it looks something like this. If you feel like the animation is too slow, just play with the keyframes till you get the desired speed you need. Also, sometime in the video, your mask might go off and change position. To fix this, go to the masks, set a keyframe for mask path, go further into the video to see where your mask goes off. So you can zoom in, click on the anchor point you want and set it back to its position. To make this effect pop even more in the video, you can either add a glow or deep glow to your layer. And in the Effect Control panel, adjust the radius and exposure to your desired value. I also want to add a monocolor tint so that my glow effect is a mixture of the yellow and maybe orange colors. Keep in mind that you can always change your outline thickness and your keyframes positions, so you'll get the best results. Once you're done, just press Ctrl M to render your footage. And here we go with this eye-catching, glowing outline animation. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, and if you want more editing tips for real estate videos, just let me know in the comments and don't forget to join our family.